Welcome back to another crochet quiet time with Sandra Stitches. Hi, my name is Sandra, and this is a place that I created for you for a quiet crochet time, 15-20 minutes that we sit together and crochet with some nice music in the background. Nothing special, it's just me with whatever project I'm working on. So today I'm working on a shrug. Where is my starting point? Okay, so I'm here. I'm working on a shrug. I'm not sure yet if I will promote this shrug and write the pattern and put it free on my blog and make a YouTube tutorial, or this will be one of the patterns for the V-Stitch membership for next year. I'm not sure yet, because I already have 2 shrugs there. So I think this one is going to be in this spring, summer. I will make a tutorial on YouTube here for this shrug. So that's it. I'm just working on it. I need to get to 17 inches. So let's see, 16, 17 inches wide, height, long. It's a shrug that goes, long sleeve, and it goes in one piece all around, so it's very long, and it's a rectangle, so I need to measure. Okay, it stretches. It's a mesh stitch, kind of mesh stitch, not just chains, but it's a really cute mesh stitch. And we are at 14, so I have 3 inches left, not much. And I'm using I think it's a weights-free acrylic yarn in this beautiful gray blue. It's blue, but it has a lot of gray in it. Yarn. It's a basic acrylic yarn, but it's from China, from Temu. Very nice, even though it's from Temu. It's very nice. It's very soft. It's not stiff acrylic. Very, very soft, and it does not split or anything. So I'm really enjoying it. And that's it. So let's crochet together. I know that when I sit down for a crochet session, I like to have somebody in the background with me. So it can be somebody, from the crochet world that talks, not a tutorial, but, there are all these vlogs that people share what they're doing and everything. So it's interesting. Or someone like this space that we just crochet together, not too much talking, although I've been talking now quite a lot. So let's crochet. Bring your project with you, something to drink. As I always say, I'm not a coffee person, I'm a water person. So I have my water here. Let's see how much we can get done in one quiet crochet session. If you need more than 15-20 minutes, so go back to my channel, because I upload these videos, I release them every Friday. So just look for the playlist and they will be there.
Tambor fue el sol, bailamos en aliento, con silencio en el pulmón, y el tiempo se borró. Somos el fuego, somos la mano, creamos el sueño hicimos el plano, nacidos del cielo, paridos del llano. Somos el fuego, somos la mano. El metal y aprendimos a mandar. Nombramos viento y sol, nos cubrimos de poder y pedimos por pero bajo el dolor no cambió.
It's a Saturday here in Israel, and we are still in ceasefire. Not really, but you can call it ceasefire. There are no missiles from Iran, but we do have from Lebanon all the time, so kind of ceasefire. So today we're planning on, we have to go to a friend's house for, how do you say it in English, condolences, when someone dies, so you come and pay your respect, right? It's called the Shiva here. You do it for 7 days. So you come to their house and they sit in Shiva. And so our friend's father passed away, so we are going to pay our respects in the afternoon.
Del ser, quiero puedas ver.
By the way, you can find all the links to my blog with the free patterns, to my Facebook community, to the Prestige Club, which is my crochet membership. All the links in the description box below. All the information is there. I would love you to join me in any of the other places I'm, working on. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so we can reconnect every week. I upload videos on Mondays. Mondays we have a new series, which is a 12 stitch sampler blanket. So it's a crochet along. Mondays is the stitch sampler blanket, and Wednesday usually is a tutorial of some sort. And on Fridays I upload these quiet crochet time videos. So a lot of things to watch here in this channel. Just subscribe and leave a comment so I know you're here with me. I read all the comments. It's just me. No team, just me.
No cambió, seguía en la piel y el polvo susurró. Recuerda tu valor.
I think that when we sit down and crochet quietly, so I feel I'm much more productive. Sometimes I put, as I said, I watch some other crocheters or crochet channels or even other channels. I like true crime channels. So I have something in the background and I can concentrate more and be more productive in my crochet time. This is why I created this crochet quiet time space for you to join. I believe we need this.
Al inicio del ser, quiero puedas ver que salimos del suelo y abrimos el mirar al fuego en nuestra mano. Habló en lenguas, el tambor fue el sol. Bailamos en aliento, con silencio en el pulmón y el tiempo se borró. Somos el fuego, somos la mano, creamos el sueño, hicimos el plano, nacidos del cielo, paridos del llano.
Of yarn, as I said, it's from Temu. If you want me to link the Temu link for this yarn, just tell me in the comments and I will put it. Excuse me. It's, of course, it's very cheap yarn, but as basic acrylic, it's very, very nice to work with. Very, very soft. It's between DK, like weight 3 and weight 4 yarn. But I'm very pleased, so I ordered in many colors. I'm waiting for it to arrive. I'm not sure how long that will take because, you know, I live in Israel and we are not in a very safe place for shipments that have to go by the sea from China here. So I don't know, but it will arrive. I'm sure it will. So no hurry. Anyway, I have enough in my stash, other yarns. But if you want the link, tell me in the comments and I will put it. I will send it to you and put it in the description box. These skeins are 190 grams, so it's less than 200 grams of yarn. When I finish the track, I will measure, I will weigh it and see how many grams it took. Because I started a fresh new skein and maybe we'll finish it all, I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm not sure yet how I will close. Excuse me. I have some troubles with one of my voice cords. That's why my voice is not very clear and I have to drink water all the time. So as I said, I'm not sure yet how I will close the sleeves of this shrug. Once I finish the main body, I will try it on and we'll see. I love this stitch, so easy and so beautiful. I will definitely make a tutorial for this. I think you're going to love it.
Tambor fue el sol. Bailamos en aliento, con silencio en el pulmón, y el tiempo se borró. Somos el fuego, somos la mano. Creamos el sueño, hicimos el plano. Nacidos del cielo, paridos del llano. Somos el fuego, somos la mano. El metal y aprendimos a mandar. Nombramos viento y sol, nos cubrimos de poder y pedimos por Dios.
All right, let's measure and see how far we've come before we close up this session, because we have to go. Okay, we are at 14 and a half, maybe 15. All right, I still have about 3 inches to go. This is going to be it for this quiet crochet session. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you join me. And as I said, all the information for everywhere you can find me is in the description box below. I will see you next Friday. Take care and have a great, great week.